What's happening, guys? Junior's taking you back to another video. Now today we're going to be taking a look at a set or pair of some security cameras. A company called Arenti sent these over, and we've got two different models here. They're both indoor monitors. But they are two different designs. So we're going to go for the process of unboxing each of them, getting them set up, and then pretty much showing you what they look like on the app on a recording. So we'll start with the small one and work our way up. Let's go to the ceiling. So guys, this is the one we're going to be talking about. So this is the Indoor 1 Ultra HD 3 megapixel 2K camera, and this is indoor Wi-Fi camera. So some of the settings on the back here, there's just a few about, obviously it's great for babies, for baby monitor, pet monitor, or an intruder in your house. And it's got a few things here that's adequate for iPads, iOS and Android. And the one thing that you need to remember about these cameras is that they'll only support a 2.4 gigahertz frequency band router. Does not support 5 gigahertz, but if your router is 5 gigahertz, you can add an extra Wi-Fi setting to it that will allow it to dial down. So what we're going to be doing is taking a look and getting this out of the box and seeing what we've got. So just to start off with, we've got some nice signs going on here. That's pretty much if this is going to be a security near the front door. You can pop this on the front door just to letting people a word of warning. By the way, there is security in this house. Got a little bit about activate your warranty now, so you can go straight to their website and activate your warranty, so that's also a nice touch. And then we've also got the quick guide, so this is going to come in handy, allowing you to set up your device quick and easy. They are very quick to set up these. I've already set them up just to see if they were working properly, and they were very easy to set up. Apart from that, you get a charging cable, a charging brick, and the camera, and nothing else in the box. So this is just a simple power plug that's going to go near the item, USB in and out straight to the camera. So nothing exciting going on there. And then we also have the cable it comes with. So these are powered by micro USB, as you can see there, but you do have quite a large cable there, so that's going to come in handy as well. And then we do have a little sticky pad here, which is going to be a mounting bracket, I believe, for the camera. And then we'll take a look at the camera itself. So this is the stationary camera. So this is the one where you can't move it by the mobile app. So this is going to be the one that's going to be set up in a place, and that's where it's going to be pretty much get left. So on this, you do have full 360-degree rotation on it, but you also do have a full downwards 90-degree angle as well, which is going to allow you to tilt it free of choice. So the micro SD card that you get in here is a 32 gig. And then a little bit about here, so we've got the lens right in front, we've got LED indicator at the top, and then we have the microphone right there. And then like I was saying about that sticky pod there, that'll just go on there, and then you can stick it to any surface you want, whether it's on your ceiling, on a wall, or on a surface. They've also added in one of them. And then that is that one. So I'm going to pop this one on the one side, then we'll get the other one unboxed. So this is the bigger one. So this is the Dome, and this is the Ultra HD 3 megapixel 2K camera, indoor pan tilt zoom, and a private camera. So this one you can control with the local app. So you can move this around whenever you want. Say if you've gone on holiday and you want to move it around the entire room, wherever it is, you can do so. So a little bit about this one. Again, you get the warranty card and then the quick user guide. And then we also get a pair of those stickers. So if you're going to stick this anywhere for someone to see, you can use it as like a little bit of a security, be like, by the way, I have a camera here, back off. So you get a few extra bits with this one, and we're going to go through them in just a second. So with this one again, we get the very long micro USB cable, as you can see right there. We get a different style plug this time, but it's still the same. This is going to be your adapter to power up your camera. And we also get a backing plate. So like the other one, we got the sticky pad. So we got a sticky pad for the other one. This one actually comes with a built-in backplate and a set of wall mountable screws and plugs. So if you want to secure this somewhere a little bit safer. So, and then this is the camera that we've got here. So as you can see in the bottom, we've got the Arenti logo going on there. We have the dome itself and the lens right in the center. There is a LED indicator right there at the top. And then the microphone is sat right on the bottom right there. So a 32 gigabyte micro SD card already pre-installed, and then we have the small reset button right there. And then as you can see, this is fully maneuverable, so when you attach this into the app like we're going to go into, you can move this full 360 degrees vice versa. And then on the bottom of this, you do have the mounting hardware for the bracket that it came with, and then we also have our USB port right in the back there. So why don't we get all these plugged in and we'll see what it's like to connect. So as you can see now, I've got the app loaded up, with this the Arenti app, and then I've got the two cameras set up here. So I'm currently running on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi router that I've changed up to allow these to work. So that's how we're doing it. So the camera on the left, which is this one down here. So we can see right there, that is the camera angle that we've got. So if I just move it over to that side, obviously we can see it is very clear. So you can see my hand there with no issues whatsoever. And then if I put something in front of it, you can see complete detail. So the capture and the image for this one really is amazing. But like I said, this is a stationary camera, so it can't be moved through the app. But a little bit about this is that you've got some settings on the bottom. So we've got record app, or we've also got a screenshot, microphone if you want to talk through it. You've also got volume control, which I've got off at the moment. And then we've got UHD there. So we can change this. So if you want to record, say, a large amount of files, you can change this to standard, HD, or Ultra HD as well as. So what we'll do is I'll move that one to one side, and then we'll get the next one set up. So this is the other one. So this is the dome one that I was talking about. So I'll get that turned over to there. And same settings for this one on the bottom. So you've got your record, screenshot, microphone, volume, and adjustment. So if I click on the adjustment, it gives me this little wheel. And then what this allows me to do, this allows me to turn the camera wherever I like. So if this is going to be set up in a certain room, this is going to allow you, don't judge my cables, this is going to allow you to turn the camera all at once. And then you can use this little wheel here on the side, and you can make all the adjustments you need. And it really is as simple as that. Or if you don't want to use that, you have it right down there as well, where you can change all the settings and you can move the camera about as you want and very freely. So there is a lot of settings when it comes to this. You have everything from device sharing. So if you've got, say, a nanny over and you want to share the features with her, you can add her onto it. You've got device information, installation guide if you want to get a new camera and you're not sure how to do it. And then there's things like basic functions. So if I go over the basic functions, we can do a network indicator. You can flip the screen, display a box for certain detections, and even night vision. You can either have it to automatic, or you can set it to manually, or just turn it off altogether. And then we've got all different things here, like, so we've got alert settings. So we can change the alert settings to monitor detections and even noise detection. So if you're going to use this as a baby monitor, you can just pop on noise, and then you can do low, medium, or high frequencies. So if you are going to be using this as a baby monitor and your little one starts crying, it's going to detect you, and it's going to send you a notification right there saying you received an alarm message for that certain app. So there is a lot of features going on here. So we have two very different cameras going on here. We have a stationary camera that does have full maneuverability of 360 degrees and full 90-degree clock. And we have a dome one here as well. And the dome one is very nice. Allows you to have full range of motion. So no matter where it is on your house, either on a desk, a wall, or even the ceiling, it gives you full maneuverability, so you can move the camera as you want. And also with the settings as well, with the movement indicators and the alarm indicators. So if you are going to use this as a pet monitor or a baby monitor, it's going to allow you to monitor any noises that come through or any movements, and it's going to allow your pet and child to be safe at home. And they are brilliant. They're very small and they're very unique as well. You know, some cameras, are very large. They come with extra long cables. They come with mounting hardware and even security advice as well, if you're going to use this as a full-time security camera. And the quality alone, as you saw on my phone there, is unbelievable. These are very small cameras. They're very clear cameras, and everything about them seems right. I think my favorite one has to be the dome. For the matter of fact, I can control the maneuverability through my phone. I don't even have to be in the same room. If I'm upstairs and I hear something downstairs, I can move the camera around all the way around the house, 350-degree swivel and 110-degree tilt. So it's going to allow me to see the entire room or the entire place where I'm fitting these cameras. If you want to go check these out for yourself, if you head down the links in the description, you'll be able to find them there. They are an amazing pair of cameras, and they come with so many more features. And as always, guys, thank you very much for Arenti for sponsoring this video and sending over a pair of your cameras. I really appreciate it. But you guys out there watching. If you want to go grab them, like I said, down below. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my further videos. And as always, thanks very much for watching, guys.